Hi, welcome to mathematics questions, and the question is find the number of 4-digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 if no digit is repeated. How many of these will be even? Okay, we have got two questions here. First is find the number of 4-digit numbers, and second is the advanced question based on the first question. So okay, let's begin. So the question says find the number of 4-digit numbers that can be formed. Okay, we have to identify the 4-digit numbers. So that means I'll make box of 4. Okay, each box represent each digit. And the question also says if no digit is repeated, that means the digit is not repeated. Once you have used one of the digit, you cannot write the other digit. For example, if I am choosing 1, 2, 3, then I cannot choose 1, 2 or 3 for this digit. So this cannot be a valid number. So I'm crossing out this. Okay. So this way, how many numbers are possible for 4 digit? So first choice is this. How many numbers can I do here? Like how many digits can I choose from? I can also choose 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have the choice of 5 here. So I'll put 5 here. Okay. Now, since one of the digit is already chosen, it's not the 5. This 5 is not considered here. It's not that 5. Just consider the count of the numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The total count of the number is 5. That's why I have written 5. Since one of the number is chosen and no digit is repeated, so we will cross out one of the number, any number. So for example, I cross out this. Now how many numbers I am left with? Just count these numbers. How many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Just put here 4. Since now two numbers are gone, just I will cross these. I suppose these two numbers are gone, for example. So I am left with now 3 numbers. So I'll put 3 numbers here. And since now I am gone with 3 numbers, now I am only left with 2 numbers. So I will choose from either of them 2. So that it will be 2. Now we multiply them. So it will give 5 times 4 is 20, 20 times 3 is 60, 60 times 2 is 120. So total possible numbers are 120 in this case. So, okay. So the first question which says, the first question that says find the number of 4-digit numbers. So 4-digit numbers are this. This is 1 digit, 2nd digit, 3rd digit and 4th digit. That can be formed using the digits. We used either of them. So 5, 4, 3, 2. If no digit is repeated. Okay. So these 5, 4, 3, 2 are not the number these represent. For example, if the question had been, so I'll cut this. If the question instead of this place, if it was, so if the digits were like, for example, 6, 7, 8, 9, 4. If this was also the question, then also you will get the same answer, because we are counting the number of digits, not the exact value of the digit. So, and how many of the, let's go to next question. How many of these will be even? How many of these will be even? What is the even number? First of all, the even number is the number which is divisible by 2. And how we identify them? Either the last digit of a number should be either 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. If the last digit of a number is either of them, then that will be divisible by 2 and that will be called an even number. So in this case, if we have number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, we are given 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers. So I'll create 4 boxes again. So how many of numbers are either of 2, how many of the digits are either of 2, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8? So one is 2 and the other is 4. So we are going to choose, the last number will be chosen from either of these two, either 2 or 4, right? This cannot be anything else. 1, 3 and 5, it cannot go here. So if we choose, let's suppose the last digit is 2. Let's suppose the last digit I am choosing as 2. So the last digit will be 2. So how many ways can I choose 2 from this list? There is only one way, because 2 is only present one time, and also the question says no digit is repeated. That means in how many way can I choose this? Only one way. There is only 1 2 and I can only choose 1 times 2. That is the way I can choose 1. Now this is gone. How many digits are you left with? 1 2 3 4 digits. So this will be 4. Now since 2 is gone and one of the digit is also gone, so how many digits are you left with? You are only left with 3 digits. So you will choose 3 digits here, either of the 3 digits. And since now you are only left with 2 digits, so you will choose from the 2. So you multiply them, you will get 4 times 3 is 12, 12 times 2 is 24, 24 times 1 is 24. So we will get 24 times. So you will give 24 numbers, different numbers, when you choose the 2 as the last digit. Similarly, because we have 4 also here, right? If to make a number even, I can also choose 4 digit at the end. So I'll just reframe this question. Again, I have option same like 2, I have the option of 4. So I am given with, just erasing some. Now the question again starts from here. 1 2 3 4 5. I have these 5 digits and I have to choose a 4 digit number with no repetition is allowed, and the number should be even. For 2 I have calculated, there were 24, right? And for 4, if the last digit is 4, so how many way can I choose 4? Only one way, because only one 4 is there. So I have chosen 4. Now it is gone from the list. Now how many numbers have I left with? 1 2 3 4. There are only 4 digits I am left with. So if I choose either of them, so now the total count is 3. 1 2 3. Choose from the 3. Now since one more digit is gone, so I am only left with 2 digits. So choose from 2. That is 2. So that means then multiply again, then 3 times 4 times 3 is 12, 12 times 2 is 24, 24 times 2 1 is 24. Now this 24 and this 24 sums up. 24 plus 24 equals to 48. So how many even digits number can be formed? How many even 4 digit numbers can be formed using these digits when no digit is repeated? There are 48. So answer is 48 for the second question and 120 is for the first question. Hopefully you have understood it. Comment your questions, comment your doubts if you have any. I'll make more videos on this topic, or also you can send your questions of similar type with variants of digits, or the variants of even, odd, last 2 digits should be divisible by 4. There are multiple questions on this section. I'll also cover them. You can send me directly on the chat, or also on the Facebook chat, or the Facebook page message, or on our YouTube channel, wherever you are listening this, and be present with the channel. Thank you so much. Please like, comment and share this question to your friends and family members who are preparing for any of the examinations in mathematics. Thank you so much.